is something we need. It's a leap of faith. Oh, if you have the will and the moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Late night, flickering lights, loud crowds on the street as I walk by. There's a fight, sirens drive by, someone singing about the heartaches of her life. Outside a bar, a woman is waiting.
From various viewpoints on the road going westwards out of Kirkcaldy, the solid mass of Wraith House with its tall chimney stacks can be seen on the skyline. Wraith House has a history going back to 1693. The design is by James Smith, who, having worked for him, succeeded Sir William Bruce as surveyor of the King's works in Scotland. Smith had also married into the dynasty of the great masons of the Kings, the Milne family, whose importance and wealth may be judged by their memorial in Greyfriars Kirkyard, Edinburgh. One of the masons who worked on Wraith was John Adam, who could be William's father and so a grandfather of Robert Adam. The important mason was Alexander Gavinloch. A few years after his work at Wraith, James Smith may have competed with Bruce to be commissioned to design the grand and classical Melville House, Muir Monamail, for the first Earl of Melville. In the late 18th century, James Playfair redesigned parts of the interior of Wraith and also designed some new buildings, including the lodge and gateway near Beveridge Park. Michael Beveridge was a floorcloth manufacturer in the 19th century, who became a town provost in 1886 and died while in office in 1890. It was during Beveridge's years in office that Michael Barker Nairn offered £3,000 to erect and equip a cottage hospital at Path Head, and Beveridge left £50,000 for the building of the Adam Smith Halls and creating Beveridge Park. Beveridge Park was opened in 1892 by his second wife, Elizabeth Hunter Stocks, who was the daughter of the linen manufacturer and lived till 1938, having reached the age of 83. In 1992, the centenary of the park was marked by a celebration that equalled the opening one.
Across the river, the sound is changing.